Today I will give introduction to marketing management. This is my part of series of lectures on marketing management. This is my lecture outline. First, I'll uh, state various definitions. Then I'll describe types of marketing. Then I'll talk about marketing in a developing economy, followed by marketing organization. Then I'll talk about marketing mix and finally marketing plan. The American Marketing Association defines marketing as follows. It describes that marketing is the performance of business activities that direct flow of goods and services from producer to the consumer. So this is the marketing activity. Kotler defines marketing as human activity directed at satisfying needs and wants through exchange process. What is a need? The human need is a state in which a person feels deprived of something, and the types of needs include physiological needs, psychological needs, and sociological needs. So, a man is often described as a bundle of dormant wants. The need exists, but these have to be converted into actual wants by marketing strategy. So, we convert dormant wants to actual wants by marketing strategy. So finally, a process-oriented definition of marketing is as follows. I have divided the definition into various segments. So it is a process of ascertaining consumer needs, converting them into products or services, moving the product or services to the final consumer or user, specific consumer segment or segments with emphasis on profitability, ensuring the optimum use of resources available to the organization. So this is a process-oriented definition. So because of these various processes, we have various topics in marketing. So the topics include marketing research to ascertain consumer needs and other aspects of marketing, then product development, then factors considering location and distribution, then market segmentation, then price factors, and finally promotion. So types of marketing include macro marketing and micro marketing. Macro marketing word was described by Bartel in 1962. Macro marketing is concerned with problems central to the market and society. So it is a macro view, whereas micro marketing targets small group of individuals having specified needs. So both the economic and social changes are necessary to bring about the development of a nation. So what is the general role of marketing, especially in a developing economy? It stimulates aggregate demand and thus enlarges the size of the market. Marketing helps in the discovery of entrepreneurial talent. Marketing helps in improving the employment. So this is the general role of marketing. Then let us see various levels of economic development. And the basic level is subsistence. The trade is barter trade, and it is seen in underdeveloped country. The second level is transition. There is degree of specialization. However, producer is the marketer. This is seen in less developed countries. Then next level is mass production. There is specialization, but marketing is a separate activity. In mass production, it is seen in developing countries. However, the market is local. Whereas in commercialization, market is either local or international, there is total specialization, and there is complete market orientation. So this is the highest level. Then let us see what is an organization. So organization refers to any system, body, or group of people comprising various subsystems or parts which are interrelated and or interdependent on each other. So these are various principles involved in the design of organization. These include specialization, departmentalization, standardization, formalization, centralization, evaluation, structure. All these terms are actually there in the syllabus on management principles. Then what are the considerations while designing an organization? So there is statement of objective and goals of the firm, nature of the product or line of activity, areas of operation, nature of the industry, computerization and upgradation of information system, external environment and government interventions. So these are all considerations in designing an organization. Then the methods of organization include functional organization, product management organization, market-centered organization, and matrix organization. So now let us see what are the elements of marketing mix. So there are the four basic elements of marketing mix described by McCarthy. These include product, which is either idea or good or a service, price, place or physical distribution, promotion. These are four P's of marketing mix. The first step in the marketing process is the identification of the need of a group of person or market segment. There is a separate lecture on market segmentation. So let us see one by one. The first P is product. The marketer should treat the product as bundle of satisfaction rather than as a single physical item. Activities related to product or service or idea include following: quality of product, features of product, style, brand name, packaging, sizes, associated services, warranties, and returns. Then next P is price. So these are the factors which affect pricing. One is the paying capacity of target customers and price elasticity. The other is cost to produce the item. Then the third is competition. Then government laws, and finally social responsibility. So these are the factors which affect price setting. The next P is promotion. These include these four activities: advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relations, and publicity. I have separate lecture on all of these. Then finally, there is place or distribution. So activities in distribution include transportation, warehousing, order processing, inventory control, location. I have entire series of lectures on supply chain management. Then channels of distribution. These are those routes through which the ownership of goods, service, and ideas flows on the way from producer to customer. So these were four P's. Then finally, marketing plan. A typical marketing plan has following components. So first is description of current marketing situation, that is situational analysis. So situations include market situation, product situation, competitive situation, distribution situation, macro environment situation. The second is SWOT analysis or analysis of strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Then there is definition of objective of marketing plan, that is where we want to be, and the objectives include financial objectives and marketing objectives. Then there is actual game plan. Then we develop marketing program. And finally, we do budgeting, forecasting, estimation of cost and profit contribution. So this planning process is an iterative process and has to be done on a continuing basis. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.